I'm going to bid 25, 50, 75. Folks, my name is Earl Music, and I am with GoBidToday.com, and we have a great internet auction going on of a lot of construction and farm equipment, including this link bell right behind me. It's only a couple years old, 836 hours. It is ready to go to work, and we have a tremendous amount of other really nice equipment up here as well. You can check out the entire auction at GoBidToday.com right now. We do have some inspection days that you can come up, look, touch, and feel, and hear them running. Go to our website. You can get all that information, GoBidToday.com right now.